Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install cursor highlighter in your Windows PC. Here you can see this is my cursor highlighter. This is really simple to install it. Just go to the Microsoft Store and go for cursor highlighter. And you just have to actually go for the cursor highlighter, this option here you can see. Okay, and you just have to install it, and then you'll find something like this. If you go to the settings, here you will find here you can see display stroke. If I turn it off, so my stroke is now gone. So if I now check it once again, and it will be added. Here you can see. From here you can actually change the width and height and the color also, and the thickness also. Alright, and if you click here in the X button, then it will actually minimize. And on the other hand, you will find few more options. Here you can see mouse pointer highlighter, so you can go with this one also, but I'll have to actually do this, because if I actually remove this app, then I lost my cursor highlighter. Okay, so basically I'll have to do this. I'll have to work with this one. So yeah, just go with this one and install it in your PC. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.